If you want to change the theme in Krita, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch between different Krita themes in just a few clicks. This is a simple way to make the interface look the way you want, whether you prefer a darker workspace for long drawing sessions or a brighter look for better visibility. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open Krita on your computer. Once Krita is open, look at the top menu bar and click Settings. This is where Krita keeps its customization options, including interface appearance and other preferences. After you click Settings, a drop-down menu will appear. Move your mouse over theme in that menu. When you hover over theme, Krita will show you a list of available theme options. You'll usually see choices like Krita Dark, Krita Bright, and Krita Blender. Each theme changes the look of the application instantly, so you can preview the feel of the interface right away. If you want a darker layout that's easier on the eyes, choose Krita Dark. If you want a lighter interface, choose Krita Bright. And if you want a style that matches a different workflow, you can try Krita Blender as well. The best part is that you do not need to restart Krita for the change to apply. Just click the theme you want and the interface updates immediately. If the new look feels better, then you're all set. If not, you can always go back to settings and pick a different theme anytime. Changing the theme in Krita is a fast way to personalize your workspace and make your editing experience more comfortable. And that's how to change the Krita theme in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.